5:50 AM and I don't know why I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm joking, but yeah, I'm still tired. I want to sleep. Can you guys see this? So this is just one of the items that will be sold today. So today's the day of the bazaar. I've got most of the stuff out, but yeah, hopefully it goes well. Everything's already on display. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be filming bits and bobs. I don't really know what's going to happen today, but hopefully it goes well and we get a lot of things sold. But yeah, come to my house, guys, and he's demanding to eat and for me to make him food. And then we have this lovely, gorgeous princess here. And Maya's helping me today. Guys, just wait. Let me show you guys. This is how short I am. She's 12. All my nieces are taller than me. Tasia and Basti's nearly here, so you guys are going to see. Embarrassing. Life. Guess who just got it, guys? Guess who just got it? I've missed you guys so much. Is that Mummy? Yeah. I was just about to message her. Hey, mother! Yeah. Yeah, they're here, they're here. Alright. So, Uncle Manuel has a mission for the girls.
Okay, you guys, bye.
So you guys pick out dresses and you just hold it up for Uncle Manuel to take a picture of. So yeah, that's their mission.
I noticed that it's a dress that's like bluey and orange.
Cool.
And my selling point is on point. I like that. Do you know what? It's not a dress, you know. Do you know that it's not a dress? Just you can put it's a jumpsuit. It is a jumpsuit.
It's like a dress.
I know.
This is a maxi.
Well done.
What dress is this?
Nice.
You just said it. It's a black and white dress with a slit at the bottom.
Yeah. How much are you selling that for?
£100, baby. £20.
Oh, that. What about 100?
Jeez.
I got that.
Okay.
It's
A nice dress.
Yeah. What?
With about.
I didn't like that.
And it's a low cut.
Woo!
Extra, some I don't leave it. I am mine, me one mad, don't leave it. Careless out the road, conceal it. Y'all a man criminal, but me no one do you wrong. Before you step back, you settle down. See my man, give me your hand. I have to warn ahead of time if you fall in love. I won't be there to hold you when your heart is left broken. Yes, I'm hard to please. Is this way you wanna? Boy still a grab off for me. The boy just a grab off for me. I don't have no reason to move his hand from me. Boy, you know I want you to take control of me. Treat me like you know you should. Take control of me. The boy just a grab off for me. My bad so, my rock so.
Hey guys. It's the next morning, not the next morning, it's like the afternoon now, but the next day. Rihanna hurt her leg. She fell over when she was on her heelys. So we're going to my brother's house quickly. Gonna see Tasia and Vasti again, yay! Jacob and Martha and Olenka, they got a new addition to the family. His name is Buddy. He's a little dog. I can't remember what breed he is. I think Vasti said a Shih Tzu, Chihuahua, I don't know. A Chihuahua, a Shih Tzu, I'm not too sure. It's half breed, so probably both. I'm so tired. Yeah, we're walking, I'm not driving. Because the bae took the car. He dropped me at my mum's house earlier and he left. So my mum and my brother don't live that far away from each other, so I'm gonna walk and keep fit. So yeah, see you guys when I see the dog. Chef Ollie, can't wait to eat.
For 2 seconds.
Hey Tasia, you helping Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, look at my beautiful day. Slotcha. Vastier. True.
Oh,
No, I come to show Vasta that I've got on a skirt. Hello, Martha. Let me see the dog. Hi, Fatima. Hiya. Jacob, hello. Oh, is that the dog? Gosh, it is a little one, isn't it? That's good, thank God.
so you don't have to run away.
I don't have to hide or like stay away. Hello, Jacob. I like your new dog.
Where's Max?
It is very tiny.
Max is
Romeo, hello. Got the barbecue on. I can't wait to eat. Ah. Romeo. Oh my God. You do that to me, Fatima. Fatima, you're there chilling.
I done my nails.
Flick you. You're the star of the show today.
Oh, stop it.
Buddy, no
You're
bite.
cute, but
I think it's so cute. Davinia, you're really crap at your aiming. Gonna knock someone out in a minute. Oh my gosh, again.
Drop shot.
No.
Running away from me. Drop shot.
Sharp shot. Sharp shot. Look at Mom. Mama said sharp shot. Ollie. Mama said sharp shot.
Look at Martha.
She said sharp shot. No more fish and chips. Hey, go Tasia. Go Tasia. Do the chicken dance. Do the chicken dance. Adam. Looking like an old man. I know, he looks bigger, isn't he?
Or is it all that material?
Hi, Jordan. You alright? Hello, Moi Moi. Look what kuda. No one cares, mate. Child abuse.
The way I like my bad so, my rock so, my wine so. The way I like my bad so, my rock so, my wine so. The way I like you can't lie, it's sweet, yeah. Roll easy, just cut to the chase. Your body can't soft me, no deal with no lame. If you want touch me, me nah run where you know. Just know say me might take away your soul. What now? I want you don't fall in love. Roll easy, don't need. I have to warn ahead of time if you fall in love. I won't be there to hold you when your heart is left broken. Yes, I'm hard to please. Is this where you wanna be? I'm dangerous, not showing emotion. Boy, take time from me. The boy still a